Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today, as you can see, I have my brother's car behind me. It's a 2019 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport that we did the front lip on and other mods on there as well. So Lasfit was kind enough to send me some bulbs for my brother's Honda Civic here. My Lexus is sponsored by them, but they were kind enough to just go ahead and just provide some bulbs for other project cars that I work on as well. So yeah, I'll go ahead and install these bulbs, which are like a 194 style bulb, onto the interior, and I'm sure that it will make a big difference. Well, yeah, if you guys want to get any bulbs from Lasfit, I will leave a link in the description, as well as my coupon code, discount code, so you guys can get 15% off anything on the site. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the install. So this is the OEM light output right now. It has that whitish, yellowish tone to it, which is, it's good. You can see in here. But I'm pretty sure that once these LED bulbs are in, you'll be able to see a lot more in here. That's how it is right here. I don't think that you can really see the color. Yeah, you can't really see in the back at all. I'm not sure. I mean that's why, I guess that's what it appears for. But I'm going to be going ahead and changing out the dome light as well as the map lights here, and we'll see what other bulbs they give us. I think they gave me 6 bulbs total, so I'll see where else I can use them. So you guys probably won't need a tutorial on how to take off the lens, but if you do, what you do is you take a little flathead or a prying tool. I'd rather use a prying tool, but I left that somewhere that I cannot find. But yeah, you just stick it in here and just carefully take it apart here. These are the bulbs right here, and to change them out, it's pretty easy. Just remove the bulb out of the package, take this stock one off, pop the new one back in, test it out. If it does not work, take the bulb, flip it around. That's very good. So it's already brighter, as I can see here, but I'll go ahead and change these two here, as well as the dome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can tell, the bulbs made a huge improvement on the light output, and you can see a lot better on the interior. But yeah, if you guys are interested in any products that Lasfit has, go ahead and use the link in the description below for 15% off anything off the site. Just use the code TOOSLOWFORYOU, and that'll give you guys a discount. But yeah, until the next video, I will see you guys then. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.